Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is Jonah May measures the distance from the center of a circular garden to its edge to be 53 meters. How long is the path which goes around the outside of the garden? Here we have given that distance from the center of a circular garden to its edge is 53 meters. That is, here this is nothing but radius of a circle is 53 meters. The distance around a circle is circumference of a circle. Hence, to find the distance of the path which goes around the outside of the garden, we need to find the circumference of the circle. Hence, circumference of the circle is given by 2 pi r. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 53 meters. So it is 333 and it is in meters. Hence, the path is 333 meters long, which goes around the outside of the garden, which goes around outside of the garden. That is, our correct option is option B, which is 333 meters.